To start, open your Google Chrome browser and go to the Google Web Store. From the Google Web Store search engine, search for the VoIPstudio application. Once you have found the application, click on it and click the Install button. In the top right area of Google Chrome, look for the puzzle piece icon. Click on it, and you will find a pin with which you can pin our app to the main window. Click on the extension icon in the top bar to start. When you open it, enter your credentials, and you will be taken directly to the extension. The extension offers you several options to start using it. At the bottom, you have the following icons that allow you to go to the area you need. You have 3 icons corresponding to contacts: chat, phone, voicemail. If you click on the 3 dots, you will also find the recordings and fax area. The click to call option will allow you to call directly by pressing the numbers that are in text format on the web pages. To activate this function, go to the 3 dots in the top area. Then go to Settings and check the last box. The phone numbers will now appear with a blue icon. By simply clicking on them, you can call that number directly.